Cool tools that will help you with your work. Fusion Drill-Powered Cultivator. The Fusion Drill-Powered Cultivator is a tool that can be used in both raised bed gardens and smaller gardens. It's made to be the best tilling machine and to make good use of your drill at the same time. The cultivator is made to work with many different kinds of electric drills. It has a tilling width of up to 8 inches and a tilling depth of up to 5.5 inches. It has a full-size mode that's 51 inches wide for regular garden plots and a smaller mode that's 19 inches wide for gardening in raised beds. The guarantee on the product is good for 1 year. The Fusion Drill-Powered Cultivator can be bought for $99.99 on the company's website or on Amazon. Tolson Drywall Sander 5. The Tolson Drywall Sander 5 is an industrial drywall sander with a platen that is 225 millimeters in diameter and an input power of 880 watts. It has a maximum voltage of 230 to 240 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz. At no load, the speed can be anywhere between 1,000 and 2,100 meters per minute. It's been approved by CE and comes with 6 different sanding tools. There is another type of the Tolson plasterboard sander. This one has a platen diameter of about 180 millimeters and an input power of 900 watts. It has a maximum voltage of 230 to 240 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz. At no load, the speed can be anywhere from 1,400 to 2,700 turns per minute. It comes with 6 separate sanding discs, a separate dust bag, a separate side handle, and a separate connection adapter. ToughBuilt Gel Fit. The ToughBuilt Gel Fit knee pad system is covered by a patent that lets the flexible non-marring snap shell be taken off and used with a number of other snap shells. This lets you change the knee pad to fit each job. When kneeling for a long time, the ToughBuilt Gel Fit Fanatic Thigh Support Stabilization knee pads are the new standard for ergonomics, comfort, and usefulness. They provide the most support and also make it easy to move from side to side. The built-in hip support makes sure that the knee stays in the middle of the knee pad and doesn't turn out of it. Because of its unique design, it has a big size in all 3 directions, front, side, and back. This keeps the person from falling over, gives them a stable and comfortable feeling, and takes some of the pressure off the feet. The flexible gel and foam design follows the shape of the knee and upper shin. It also spreads pressure out as evenly as possible for all-day comfort. High sidewalls make it much less likely that someone will twist off their knee. VAUGHAN Rage. Rip it to pieces, tear it to pieces. The VAUGHAN Rage 15-inch demolition tool makes quick work of any object, whether it's tile, wood, plasterboard, glass, plaster, or nails. The Rage will help you finish the job faster and with less effort because it blends the functions of a hammer, pry bar, and nail remover into a single highly effective tool. Take it in your hands and see how it feels and how it weighs. It only weighs 2.5 pounds and is cleverly designed so that the least amount of work is needed to get it moving. The I-beam frame is made of high-carbon steel so that it's as rigid as possible and can transfer power as well. After the tool is finished, it's heat-treated and then powder-coated and buffed to make sure it looks good for a long time. SVHDS. ESSVE made the ESSVE Secret Decking System, or SVHDS, which is a secret decking system. It's an all-around method for hiding the installation of roofing boards. With this method, the screw can be put in from the side of the board so the screw heads are not visible. This makes the deck look much better. How does HDS get set up? A wood deck is easy to put together when HDS is used. The installation steps are as follows. 1. Use the clamp to hold the tool for fitting in place. 2. Put a screw in each of the holes marked Installation. 3. Change the angle of the screwdriver so that the battery doesn't touch the floorboard. 4. Install the medium HDS bits next. 5. Start with the screw that is farthest from the edge. ToughBuilt Posthole Digger. The ToughBuilt Posthole Digger has sharp, reinforced blades that are designed to cut through tough ground while on the job. This makes it possible for the tool to work sharply and comfortably while still being strong and light. The ToughBuilt composite handle is the only one on the market with rock-solid strength and driven, lasting stress tolerances. When digging holes for posts and supports, as well as holes for plants or shrubs, the directed leverage at the head of the tool makes sure that each strike works as well as possible. This is possible because a pivot pen was made that is as strong as it can be. The rivet-reinforced, heavy-gauge steel blades of this posthole digger have an ergonomic, oversized molded upper hand grip to reduce arm, shoulder, and elbow tiredness, and to make steady pounding strikes that transfer downward striking pressure without transferring damaging shocks to the user. This post-hole digger was made to work on different platforms. Dewalt hand truck. Hand trucks made by Dewalt are made to be the toughest and most durable ones on the market. These trucks are made so that they can carry the most weight possible. These hand trucks can hold up to 1,200 pounds or 544 kilograms of weight, so you know they can handle even the biggest loads on a building site. They come in many different sizes, each with its own maximum weight capacity and set of features, such as built-in hold-down straps, built-in cord wrap, safe bit storage, flat-free steel core wheels, larger steel tubing, and a steel toe plate. WECON Tools number S4-28. The WECON Tools number S4-28 is a wire stripper that has a built-in stripping function and a working range from 4 to 28 millimeters in diameter. It has both the TUV and the GS quality seals, which show that it was made well and can be trusted. The application was made with the end user in mind and with worries about health and safety at work in mind. Up to 97% of the tool's parts are made from raw materials that can be made again. These tools are also recyclable and have a good life cycle rating. Working range 4 to 28 millimeters. It's fully protected and was made with the comfort of the user in mind. A wheel of adjustments that can be changed in any way and is easy to use. Stripping that is correct, quick, and doesn't pose any risks. PiCo Pipe. PiConnect is a small Hoover blasting tool with a closed loop that is mostly made for spot and sweep blasting. It can be changed and works in a closed loop. With the click-on adapter technology, it's easy to clean a wide range of surfaces with different shapes. This makes it easier to clean the blast. PiCo is one of the most novel things found in the field of Hoover blasting in the last 10 years. It's outside pipe blasting equipment that doesn't make dust and can be carried by hand. It comes with different sized workheads that can be used with pipes of different widths. It can fit lines with a diameter of 2 inches to 8 inches. Original parts that were made in Norway by PiCo are included. It has minimal availability in the USA. Wide range transmission grip. Klein Tools makes a tool called the Wide Range Gearbox Grip that makes it easy and safe to pull the ACSR, AAC, and bare copper wires. It can hold up to 12,000 pounds or 5,443 kilograms safely, and it can hold wires with sizes ranging from 0.68 inches to 1.42 inches or 17.3 millimeters to 36.1 millimeters. Because its teeth are parallel, this grip can be used to pull wire. Bandit CP4000-D. The Bandit CP4000-D is a tool for binding that doesn't have a cord. It's a heavy-duty tool that always gives the same maximum gripping force so that clamps can be put on in a reliable way in the workshop or out in the field. It's built on the trustworthy 4000D base, which makes it easy to use. The new heavy-duty tool from Bandit has a steady maximum clamping power and can be used to install clamps in a reliable way both in the office and in the field. Built on the proven 4000D platform, which makes handling easy and natural. Compatible with the 5/8" center punch clamps that Bandit sells in 201 stainless steel or galvanized, as well as the center punch bandfast with Colorit. KTHB Smart. The least important stationary electric cable tapping tool for making the prototype. The stationary tape making tool from Comax Taping that takes up the least amount of room and is the smallest. The open winding head, which is managed by a foot pedal, is part of the streamlined design of the product, which makes it easy and quick to use, in particular when it comes to making samples. Thanks for watching this video.